Okay, so if you're trying to buy this phone, Schok Freedom Turbo, let's go to some information about this phone in case that you want to buy it from Target. So first, the screen is 5 inch, 30 megapixel for rear main camera. Front camera is 8 megapixel, and it has a dual SIM card slot, 2G RAM, 2GB. That means the fast that you can download your application and go to the net. 16 gigabytes memory, internal memory, and it supports expandable SD card up to 272 gigabytes. Okay, and on the box it says it comes with some accessories that you're gonna open it and you're gonna go from there. Also supports GPS, FM radio, and Bluetooth capable. And on the back of the phone, it comes with the carrier that the phones support. Okay, so you can use it on AT&T, and on AT&T you can use on voice and text, and for internet you can get 3G and 4G LTE speed. The full phone carrier, voice text 3G 4G LTE, H2O, voice text 3G 4G LTE, Net 10 as well. Simple Mobile supports text and voice 3G and 4G LTE, and T-Mobile it only supports voice and text. Okay, so for internet you can use Wi-Fi, but you can't use your carrier data package. Okay, you can use this phone on Sprint, no support, and no Verizon phones. Okay, and for Mexico carriers, you can use it on AT&T Mexico, and you can use voice, text, 3G and 4G data. Telcel Mexico, voice and text, 3G and 4G LTE. But Movistar Mexico only supports voice and text and Wi-Fi only for the internet, but no 3G and no 4G LTE. Okay, so that's very much for information. This is what you can use on this phone. And let's go and so this is the phone. Okay, so it's a very nice phone. It comes with a case protector, and it's a 5-inch screen. Let's see that one there. And let's take off the phone case protector. So this is the phone. Okay, it's a very good size. I think it's a nice phone. This is how it looks like. The charger port and the camera and the flash. And let's open. And so this is the SIM card 1, SIM card 2, and SD card slot. And let's go and open the box. This is the battery. So let's go and put the battery back in. And this is the logo. So this is how you can put the battery. Okay, has to be the logo, the upside. And let's okay, and let's power on the phone. And while it's power on, I'm gonna open the other box and show you the accessories that comes with the phone. So it comes with 3 different battery cover. So you have a red one, you have a white one, and a blue. Okay, I like the color, so let's go and put the red one here. So these are extra ones that you can use, and it looks very nice. And you're gonna get a customer service, and you can put it on your fridge, so you can have the access number and email address in case you need help with your phone. And it comes with a headset. It's not a Bluetooth, but it's a regular headset in the box, and comes with adapter, USB charger, and a USB cable. And Also comes with this for your desk, so you can watch your favorite movie in your office. Gonna go like this, and comes with some stickers to lock your phone, and comes a user manual, one in English and one in Spanish. So this is the what you wanna get on your phone, and it comes also with a screen protector. Okay, the screen protector is a tempered glass, so it's pretty nice. Okay, so at least you're gonna save some money on buying accessory for your phone, and it's still power on. So I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna go you through some steps. Okay, so this is the phone, and I'm gonna go through. Let's open all the applications, and you can see that everything is installed, and the screen is pretty good resolution. The touch screen is very responsive, and you want to get all the pre-installed applications from the factory, all the Google products, Knock TV, Schok TV, and Google Play. I mean YouTube. So you can have to download social applications, which is what you have enough memory for that. And let's go and open settings, and so you can get change wallpaper, protect your lock screen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM cards. So when you have two SIM cards, you can just go here, and you can switch to, let's say you have an account with AT&T and Simple Mobile. You can just go to settings and switch. You can choose which one you want to make a call or use your data. In display, you can control your display, notifications, sound, gesture unlock, security, accounts, Google, backup data. So this is accessibility. You have talkback, switch access, captions, magnification, gesture, font size, display size. So everything. So basically, it's an Android. So um, and I want to open the camera. So I already took some pictures on this phone. So I'm gonna show you the resolutions here. Okay, and this is the video. So the camera resolution is really good. I really like that. Okay, this was a cloudy day, and so on the camera you can actually take a video, and the video is you can do continuous shot, like pause and play, a photo, face beauty. You can change the camera resolution here. You can take panoramic picture and pro picture. Okay, so here you can control in case that you are in a location where is not enough light, so you can actually control the screen so you can take brighter pictures on dark areas. Okay, so this is how to basically this information. I say this phone, I think it's a nice phone, and it's worth it. It's only $100, and you can for this it's a perfect gift. So yeah, let me know if you have any other questions about this phone, and please subscribe to my channel so you can have access to my other tutorials about this smartphone for your support in case you want to set up a talkback or set up your lock screen, or forgot your lock screen and you want to remove um, with the external keys, or talkback has been activated by accident. I'm gonna make a tutorial how to disable that feature. So just let me know and subscribe and hit the like button if this was a good information for you. Thank you.